today we will look into a problem which is very common. Which is very common. This thing is, which is related with sales order planning for various customers. For various customers, that means which is related with inventory planning and also related with controlling your receivables. Right, controlling one's receivables. So because what happens is that once once a client is not paying, then you should be able to control his sales orders. So if a client is not paying, then one should be able to control the sales orders. So for that, actually, the sales order pending report is a very critical report. So sales order pending report is critical, right? So how this sales order pending report actually is made is, I go back here and we go to a display module, your statements of inventory, and within the statement of inventory you go to state or this thing and across all orders. Now in many times what happens is this balance quantity has been calculated over the entire historical, right, data. So this report gets stuck. So we will show you that how using turbo data you can actually speed up. So speed up the extraction of this report and thereafter link with accounts receivables data, right? So that should be a critical receivables with account receivables data, right? So that should help our customers control their receivables and block the pending sales orders. So how you do it is, you go down to your turbo data and you can do it in 3 different ways, right? So I go down to sales order pending. Suppose I need to do this sales order pending, and I go and click up my visualization here, and in the visualization here you pick up this object, which is the sales order pending object. So we have made a ready-made view for everybody to simply pick up the objects from this sales order pending item view. Simply start going in company name. So you have a company name, then this is going to be, now this is all coming in from batch this thing. So order due date, order number, party ledger name, rate, reference, stock item name, total value, total billed quantity. You can pick up everything. Then the tracking number, because this will be used for audit purposes from sales to delivery notes. And then you have the age, the balance value, and the balance quantity. So this is one way from this particular snapshot where you can make this report. You can also make this report from, because sales order pending is linked with sales order, which is linked with batch movements. So in the batch movements also you can also make this particular report. So you come here and go down to sales order or stock item inventory batch, make a list report, and within this what happens is you come on to company name. Just 1 second. So you come down to company name and then you pick up your voucher type parent. So after this you pick up your voucher type parent. Your voucher type parent in the filtered column should be always the sales order. So you simply go here and pick up your sales order. And after that what you can do is you can simply go about doing with the voucher number, then the stock item name, then the rate. So everything you can pick it up with actual base quantity, amount, right? Then you go up here, order number, order due date, right, and so on. Then I will come down to these 2 objects which I will be showing you, which is the sales order pending, right? So historical. Now this is the historical sales quantity item numbers. That means this logic actually incorporates your movements across. It includes both delivery note as well as the receipt notes. So it has a missing tracking number also. So what basically it means is your sales order pending is equal to historical sales order by company name or item name minus sales invoice by company name or item name minus your delivery notes that have not been invoiced. So you can have a case wherein your delivery notes have not been invoiced, and that actually you get it through tracking numbers, right? So that logic has also been done, and keeping that into view, we have kept this particular how much is the value which is going to be pending. So this when you multiply it by the rate will give you the total value of the quantity. So this is the second way by which you can do at the this thing is sales order pending at the this is sales order pending. This is at the static view. And then this is the sales order pending. This is going to be at the batch level. Sales order pending at batch wise. Right. Then I come down to the last one. So you just see all these objects, and from here on you can actually make your how much is your sales order pending by item or party ledger name or whatever way you want to take it up. This actually is capturing it by item name. Right, but if I replace this item name with party name, so I can put it instead of stock item name, I can put a party name, then I can get the entire thing by party name also. Right, that is all possible. Then I come down to the next case is that suppose I want to do it at the stock item inventory level, so that is also possible. So stock item inventory level. So sales order pending at stock item view level. So for those of you who are new is that you can have a batch or you might not have a batch. So there is actually a one-to-many relationship between this and this. So this is one and this is many. You can have multiple batches also for it. But at the stock item view also level, you can pick it up because you have certain objects which we have made, which are going to be. This is your historical sales order too. That means the entire sales order history for a particular item. Same is with the historical sales. And then here we have pending sales quantity by the delivery order reference. So based on this you can also get the net quantity. So with this we have shown you three different ways So three different ways by which one can make the sales order pending report for analysis. With this I come to the end of my session. Thank you very much for your time.